I can almost guarantee you that you have used an API today. But you know the craziest part? The craziest part is that some of us don't even have an idea on how this happens, or we don't even have an idea that this is even happening. Every time you check the weather, log into an app, order for your Uber, open your Google and search anything, or ask ChatGPT a question, there is something we call an API, and it is working behind the scenes. But the question is, what exactly is an API? Don't worry, you don't need to know programming for you to understand what an API literally means. In less than 1 minute, I'm going to explain what an API is all about. And you can never forget what an API means with these simple terms I'm going to use in this video. This is how an API works. Imagine you walked into a restaurant and you need to order food, right? That's the reason you went there. Then you called the waiter and you placed your order, right? You don't need to walk to the kitchen yourself for you to get what you actually demanded for. Instead, you are going to tell the waiter what you want. Instead, the waiter takes your order to the chef in the kitchen, and the chef in the kitchen prepares your food. The waiter brings back your meal to your table after being prepared in the kitchen by the chef. Now, that waiter is exactly what an API does. An API is simply a messenger. It carries requests from one system to another and then brings back the response and display it on your screen. That's it. It's not difficult. Once you can understand this explanation I did now, you have already understood the basic idea behind what an API is. So if you have watched this video to this extent, I want you to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to this video, and make sure you like this video and share to somebody you know, a student or whoever that will need this kind of video. I'm always here to explain things, to break down things that seem very difficult in our everyday life. I'm here to break them down and make you understand better. And thank you for watching. God bless and see you next time. One love.